DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo Review. Better than GoPro? Cold-proof 4K beast for creators. Ever feel like your tech is sabotaging your adventure? You finally reach that epic summit, plunge into crystal waters, or hit record on the ride of your life, only to have your action cam glitch, die, or turn your footage into shaky garbage. Sound familiar? You're putting in the work, risking the elements, and pushing your limits, but your gear keeps tapping out before you do. No backup battery. No stabilization. No trust. That epic moment becomes a missed memory. You don't need another overpriced disappointment. You need a camera that's just as wild, unstoppable, and ready to send it as you are. It's not just annoying, it's sabotage. Dead batteries in the cold, fogged up screens, frozen firmware, and that classic footage corrupted error. It's enough to make you rage quit recording altogether. When you're mid-descent, mid-dive, or dangling 30 feet off the ground, you shouldn't have to worry if your action cam can keep up. Every failed shot is a story lost, a post missed, a client underwhelmed. The stress stacks up, and before long, you're second-guessing whether capturing the moment is even worth it. Why does rugged gear always come with such fragile reliability? You deserve better. Meet the DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo, your no-excuses action partner. This isn't just an action cam, it's a 4K, 120 frames per second, horizon-steady, cold-proof, vertical-ready beast designed to survive way more than your average adventure. Built for snowboarding, diving, biking, and high-octane vlogging, it comes pre-packed with 2 batteries, a chest and backpack mount, dual-color touchscreens, even with wet hands, and DJI's genius quick-release system. It shoots buttery 10-bit HDR video, stays stable even when rotated plus or minus 45 degrees, and can dive 16 meters deep, no extra case needed. Oh, and it laughs in the face of minus 20 degrees Celsius. No freezing, no fuss. Just freaking go. Real users are obsessed, and for good reason. It handled minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit like a champ, blows GoPro out of the water. My MTB rides look like cinema. Whether you're vlogging a snowy hike, bombing trails, or swimming with turtles, Osmo Action 3 delivers smooth, stunning footage every time. With its shockproof frame, dual screens, Gorilla Glass coating, and up to 160 minutes of record time, it's built to keep going long after other cams tap out. Social creators love the one-touch vertical switch. Hardcore adventurers trust its grip and guts. It's not just waterproof, it's worry-proof. Think you need a $500 GoPro? Think again. Thousands are already ditching their hero cams for DJI and never looking back. Don't just record, own your adventure. Stock is limited and this bundle is fire. If you want a camera that doesn't flinch, freeze, or flake out when it matters most, get the DJI Osmo Action 3 now. Tap below to grab the outdoor combo before it disappears. No regrets, no, I wish I had. Just crisp, steady, savage footage that actually survives the trip. Join thousands of creators who've already upgraded, leveled up their content, and stopped missing moments. Time's ticking. Secure your Osmo Action 3 today, and capture life without limits.